Alright guys, well today we are going to do, seems to be the ever popular, cold start. This is a 2006 Dodge Megacab Cummins 2500 4-wheel drive. Got pretty cold last night. My phone said about -7 this morning with I think it was a wind chill of like -15, and I think right now it's something like 6 degrees outside. So I never plug it in. Something I would like to do is get a little block heater for it. It just needs the cord. That way it doesn't take so dang long to get the heater going. Let's see how she does here. Drag a little bit. That was the first time ever started up that slow, but it was awfully cold last night. Take a second here to get up on that fast idle. Wait for the oil pressure to drop just a little bit. And it is cold, cold, cold. Well, anyhow, seems to be on that fast idle now, and it's warmed up pretty good. Let's see what the old temp says out. 4 degrees. So there you go. Alright, well, it's my first cold start video. Hopefully it wasn't too disappointing, and the 4-wheeling season's coming around, so starting to warm up a little bit, and we'll be pumping out a lot more videos for you. Alright, thanks a lot guys.